Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to show you how to replace a battery on your 6 contact on your ADT command panel. First things first, like I showed you in the original video, you have to bypass a zone so it wouldn't be a trouble condition. So first, on the ADT command, for demonstration I'm going to be using the garage exterior. Basically, on the screen, it hits zones. You scroll down to the zone you want to bypass, which is garage exterior, zone 6. Select it. On the bottom right corner, there should be bypass. Press bypass and enter your 4-digit code. Now the system says ready to arm bypass. Now you could either, first of all, from here, from the zones menu, you could hit the arrow, or you could hit ready to arm bypass. That would take you out of this menu. So anyways, let's go to the contact. See the garage exterior contact? First things first. So basically, if you see a gouge between here, you want to push to the side. That pops it open. Then you want to pull it off. So, now, there's your contact sensor. Basically, these contacts take a CR123A lithium battery. They last up to 3 years long. Now you want to take your battery. Take it out. Take it out of the sensor. You want to place your new battery into the contact. Following the signs. Push, and then you hear a snap. Now you want to take your door to your 6th contact. You should see 2 little hash marks right here with a dent in them. You want to line them up sideways, and now should match right here. Then push until you hear a snap. Now, you should see a small gouge, no spaces between. Now, your sensor's on there, not going anywhere. You want to go back to the panel. Alright, we're at the panel. You want to disarm the system. 2 ways is hitting the ready to arm, the shield icon right here, or hitting the keypad button on the bottom right corner. Then you want to enter your code. You'll hear a beep, and you should see not a trouble condition. The reason why we bypass the sensor is to avoid the panel beeping again. So, you can see the battery life. It's full. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you find this helpful. I will see you in another video.